I'm really keen to learn, so we'll crack on. If you saw last week's video, then you know that this week we're removing the existing box casing Stevie built to house our diesel heater and wheel arch. We're then replacing it with a way more space-friendly casing plus a brand new storage system. Proper game changer. Unfortunately, I'm still working until next week, so Stevie has yet again thrown himself into building us all this from scratch. When you make the move from part-time to full-time van living, space becomes so much more precious. So a little bit of a redesign to create more practical and usable space has really helped us out.
So they're all the sections that will make up the diesel heat cover. That there is the back. The hole is where the back of the diesel heater is, and that's, I've put a pocket in. So we're trendy now, we'll have a cubby hole. That's the side. It's like that's checkerboard foam flooring, because I've got plenty of it lying around. And then that's basically the top cutouts where the wheel arch is. Gained a bit of space, I can say that much. We've gained a bit of space. Not much, a little bit, not much.
To fit the new box casing, we had to remove the cover from our electric cables. And, Stevie being Stevie, he took the opportunity to give them a tidy while he was there.
I smell the salt and feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow.
With our new units all now firmly in place, Stevie added a final layer of protection with some foam flooring. We decided it would be a good idea to add some to the outside of the new unit, our thinking being that hopefully it would help to keep the stretch carpet lining as mud and dirt free as possible.
Right, that's the unit in the back. Time to install some lights in the back. I already have one of these blank electrical boxes, which I'm just going to use for the switch, which, I should have this on hand, which I'm going to use one of these. And it's like the fighter pilot style, like the fire switch type. And I'm going to have that so the light switch in the back doesn't get knocked on by mistake, so that'll be good. That'll do, baby. That'll do. A few modifications that we've done already. That's the units in the back done, lights in the back, which I didn't plan on doing, I just did it for shits and giggles. I've also put a split charging relay in. If there's time, I'll put that in at the end. But we're going to talk plans anyway, and I think we'll probably just leave the whole van maintenance alone for a couple of weeks now. Or the van alone for a couple of weeks now, because I have a few plans as well.
Yeah.
So next week we'll be away for Liz's birthday.
We will, yes. Grand old age of 46 that I turned yesterday.
Yeah.
Today is Friday. So yeah, Thursday was my birthday. It was a good one. You treat me beautifully.
But we're going to give you a little idea of what we're going to do and what are the few modifications that we're doing. Yeah, we're moving into the van full time, but we'll also have quite a big trip planned. So something that we've always wanted to do, and we've always wanted to do with Lucky as well, is go through Northern Europe up into Norway, basically do a nice tour of Norway. So what we'll be doing is, we'll be leaving here, we might get the ferry from Hull, or we may drive down to France and then do our usual trick of getting a tunnel.
Yeah.
Either way, we'll tour up through the Netherlands.
Definitely.
Yeah, without a shadow of a doubt, because we both love the Netherlands. So we'll tour up through the Netherlands. We'll go into the national park, right up into the national park. Then we'll probably head off into Sweden, push through into Sweden, and head up into Norway, which, yeah, and spend the majority of the few months that we're going to be away doing that in Norway. So we'll be bringing you along for the whole of that journey, and we'll be keeping it as off-grid as we can. Hang around, join us next week, and if you don't subscribe,
get subscribing. Thanks ever so much. We really appreciate all of you. We love this community. Don't forget to like. If you want to leave us a comment, we love to hear from you, and we proper enjoy connecting with each and every one of you. We really, really do. We post videos weekly. At the moment it's a Saturday morning, but we are thinking about changing it. We will keep you updated on that, don't worry. So for the moment it's still sticking to our usual 9 AM Saturday morning, be there or be square. It's the new Saturday morning kids TV, isn't it?
It is.
But yeah, thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching, we love you, and we'll catch you soon.